Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mama G. And for today's video I will teach you on how to premiere YouTube videos. But before we do that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more video updates. And later, after the tutorial, I will shout out those people or channel who commented on my last tutorial video. If you want also to shout out your channel on my next tutorial, just leave your comments below and I will shout out you on my next tutorial videos. To premiere our YouTube videos is, let's first log in to our Google Chrome in our cell phone. Then let's search www.youtube.com. Then on the right side on the top, click the three dots. Then click desktop site. Then on the right side on top, click the video icon. Then click upload video. To upload video, just click the select files. Then click files. Then click gallery. Then you choose the video you want to upload. So let's assume you put all the metadata needed in your video. Now we're going to proceed to our visibility. Just click the visibility. Then below, click the schedule. Then you need to set the day and time of your premiere. You only need to click the arrow beside the date and time. To choose the date, just click the arrow, then choose the date you want your video to be premiered. And to choose the time, you also click the arrow, then choose the time you want your video to be premiered. After you set the date and time, you only need to click this Set as Premiere. And after that, scroll down below and you can see the schedule. Click schedule. If you see this, just click publish anyway. Then it's done. The video will be premiered the day you choose your date and time. Now let's log out and check it on YouTube. So as you can see, my video is now scheduled for premiere. You only need to wait the date and time you schedule it. Now is shoutout time! Shoutout Esther A. La Vida Vlog. Shoutout Comfort Words. Shoutout Pambansang Matakaw. Shoutout Ate Jen videos. Shout out Sinalyn Aranes. Shout out Sarah Pretty TV Show. Shout out Nels Life on TV. Shout out Veronica. Shout out Pinay Domestic Helper HK. Shout out Stress Free Life. Shout out Mabtas16. Shout out RPTV Madrid. Shout out Helena Quijano. Shout out Aupinas. Shout out Clet GNB. Shout out Miss Chacha. Shout out Anna SG. Shout out Joby A. And shout out Iris Kleng. So that's our tutorial for today. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button and leave your comments below. And this is Mama G. See you in my next videos. Bye!